Ang hirap pagramdam mong laging pending ang mga dasal mo. 2021, I prayed for it. I thought it would happen fast. Kasi ready na ako, di ba? 2022, still nothing. May mga sagot na no, may mga taong nawala. Akala ko delay lang, pero parang rejection na. 2023, unti-unting tinanggap na hindi ko kontrolado lahat. Hindi pala agad ibinibigay ni Lord kasi may inaayos pa siya sa paligid at lalo na sa loob ko. 2024, dumating din at dun ko naintindihan it wasn't just about the right time. It was about the right heart too. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 11. God's timing is weird. Nakakainip, nakakaiyak minsan. Pero kapag dumating na, masasabi mong, now I get it. And yes, it was worth the wait. If you're in the waiting season, hold on. You're not being ignored. You're being prepared.